Hey crafty friends, happy Friday! I'm Carla from Carla Arlene Creations, and today is Freebie Friday. So today's file, which is a printable, will be available for free download. We are going to be making the Coastal Treasures hidden paper clips. They kind of go with last week's project, the Anchored in Serenity folder. But you can use them for any junk journal that you want to use them in. But let's get started, and I will show you how to assemble the Coastal Treasures hidden paper clips. Okay, we're going to start with this piece, since this is one of the main pieces of our hidden paper clip. It has the kind of like a little oval thing here showing you where the paper clip goes. And we are going to start by folding this on these lines. So I'm just going to take this and fold it down. Try to keep it even on the sides. And then I'm going to lay it down and use my bone tool to put the crease in. Okay. Then we're going to take this side and we're going to do the same. I'm going to try to keep it lined up like so, and we're going to crease it. Then I'm going to take my glue stick, and I'm going to put glue on here and fold this up. And then while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and put my paper clip on, and the small piece goes on top. So we're going to let that sit for a minute, and we're going to take this piece and we're going to fold it on the line. Trying to keep the sides all lined up. And then I'm going to score it with my bone tool. And we're going to use some of this to put glue all around the edges. And then we're going to take this piece and we're going to, let's see here, put it in the middle of the crease and fold this one over, and we're going to try to get it lined up so it's in the center, like so. And I'm just going to put these clips on here for a few minutes so that it can dry. So next we're going to take our little pockets, and I have 2 pockets for this one, and I'm going to fold them on the lines. And I'm just going to go along the little score places here and flatten them out. I'm going to do the same with this one. And then I'm just going to flatten them out. And I'm going to take some double-sided craft tape. And I'm going to put it on the flaps. And I'm going to do the same with this one. And I'm just going to go over the double-sided tape with this just to get it to adhere. So it'll be easier to take off the protective covering. Okay, this should be dry. So we're going to turn this over and we're going to add our pockets. And we're going to start with the little pocket. So I'm just going to peel these off. And we're going to place this on here. There's one pocket. And we're going to do the same thing with this pocket. We're going to peel these off. And we're going to kind of line this up with the bottom and then press down. And then we have these cute little cards that you can write in. And I'll show you the cards in the other one as soon as I get this one done, because they're all different. I made each one different. And you can mix and match which ones are in which paper clip. It doesn't matter. I have my stamp. So we're going to put that in there. And then each one has a tag. So we're going to punch a hole like that. And we're going to take some of my twine. To me, it's just more coastal than ribbon. And we're going to put it through the hole in the tag and just voila. And then that can go in there to add this little piece on to the front. And there is our hidden paper clip. And as you can see, your paper clip's up in there, so this one has, as you can see, it says happy sailing, and then it has coastal adventures, and it has a sand dollar postage stamp, and then this little card that you can write in. And then this one says Coastal Calm, and this one has a sailboat, a seahorse, and then this little card that you can write in. So there are all 3 of the Coastal Treasures hidden paper clips. I hope you have fun making your own Coastal Treasures hidden paper clips. Like I said, you can use them in any junk journal, folio card, wherever you'd like to use them as paper clips. And you can either do one or both of the pockets on the back of each hidden paper clip. That is entirely up to you. Don't forget, you can download this project for free. There is a download link below in the description of this video. And I look forward to crafting with you again.